I have 650 grams of flour. And this being quarantine, I had to use what I could get, and so I have some wholemeal bread with mixed seeds. I also have 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 15 grams of fat, 1 7-gram sachet of fast action yeast, and 400 ml of warm water. Throw everything bar the water into a mixing bowl, making sure to keep the salt and the yeast separate, as the salt will kill the yeast. Using the dough hook, mix all the ingredients, bar the water, just enough to combine the dry ingredients and to rub in the flour. Add the warm water. It must be lukewarm, as heat will also kill the yeast. Mix starting slowly and speed up to a medium speed. Once it's come together, mix on that medium speed for about 5 minutes to knead the dough. Okay, the dough is done. The next step is to shape the bread. Now, I'm using a scraper, but you can just use whatever you have. For the loaf, form the dough into a sausage shape. Put it in a well-greased tin. I only have a small tin, so I'm only using half the dough. Divide the other half into 6 even pieces. To form a roll, cup a piece of dough in your hand and apply pressure down on the dough, not too much. Move your hand round quickly in a circular motion until the dough feels like a round shape in your hand. Once you've done all those, place them on a lined baking tray. Cover both the loaf and the rolls with greased cling film and allow to proof for half an hour-ish. It takes that shorter time because of the fast action yeast. While it's proving, preheat the oven to 240 degrees centigrade, 475 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 9. Once proved, remove the cling film and place it into the oven. Immediately turn down the heat to 230 degrees centigrade, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 8. Cook the rolls for 15 minutes. The small loaf should take about 20 to 25 minutes. If you're using the whole mix for one loaf, one large loaf, it will take 30 to 35 minutes. Once they are risen and a nice brown colour, turn them over and tap them on the underside. If it sounds hollow, the bread is done. Leave to cool.